Hello and welcome. My name is Madison, and I'm going to be giving you guys a quick rundown of Restrict Content Pro, the WordPress membership plugin. Maybe you just started downloading this plugin and you want to figure out how to use it, or maybe you're still in the midst of deciding which WordPress membership plugin you want to use. Either way, I'm going to go in here real quick and give you a little rundown of it, do a quick tutorial and a review of my thoughts from somebody who builds membership sites. So let's go ahead on in and take a look. We'll start here with the pricing. There is no free tier here. There's $99, $149, $249, and $499 a year. And what you're going to get, the difference between that is with these lower amounts, there are 13 add-ons, whereas there are more add-ons with the more expensive versions, of course. And then the main difference between the 99 and the 149 is just one site versus 5 sites. Alright, so there's a lot of things that this WordPress plugin does right. Let's go ahead and jump over to WordPress here and get right into it. Once you download the Restrict Content Pro plugin, it's going to show up right here in your WordPress. And I'm just going to give you guys a quick rundown of the dashboard. So here's memberships, where you'll see info about your members, and also customers here, which is similar to members, but you have some more details there about the customers who are buying your memberships. And then of course we have your membership levels page here. This is where you're going to create your membership level and your membership tiers for how much people are paying per month, stuff like that. We have discount codes. This is where you can input a little discount code if you want to give someone some sort of discount separate from everyone else. And then we have the payments here, where you can see your actual payments through Stripe or PayPal, whatever payment gateway you are using. Restrict Content Pro supports Stripe, PayPal, Braintree, Authorized.net, and 2Checkout. Although I'd use Stripe or PayPal as those are the most popular. So moving on, we have the Reports tab here. This is where you'll see your earnings for the month, and you can change whether you want to see this month, this quarter, this year. You'll see all your data here. These are just your dollar earnings. Once you have some data in there, it'll show up in this dashboard. Refunds, if you're giving any refunds out, you can just see the amount of signups you have. And then you have the dashboard here where you can see your overall membership count. So we don't actually have any members set up right here. We're just doing a little test through here, but this is where you would see your data. So moving on here, we have our settings. This is where you're going to put in all of your information for your Stripe or PayPal, your payment gateway. And then right here you can see these are the main pages where your customers, your members, are going to be using these to access their account information or edit their profile. Or here you see the success page. This is where they're going to go after they successfully sign up for a membership. So we'll check out these pages. These pages are all automatically built for you. Once you install the plugin, if you go over to your pages here, you will see all of these posts built from Restrict Content Pro. So here we go. So yep, if you're a customer here, you would come to this page. You can put this link up in your header or wherever in your footer. And this, if I was a customer for your membership site, and this is where I would come if I wanted to maybe cancel my membership or upgrade my membership. Right now I don't have any memberships. This is what it will show if just a regular user comes to this page. But one thing I want to mention that Restrict Content Pro does great is their access levels for membership levels and upgrading and downgrading for your customers. So first of all, we'll go into this access. Let's go ahead and set up a membership level and lock our page. So we're going to create a new membership level here called Basic, and we're going to make it a monthly membership. Now, what I was talking about here with the access levels is if you have multiple different tiers of membership, maybe you're planning on having a basic membership and then a higher tier and then maybe a third tier. This is a good plugin for that because there's lots of functionality around different membership levels. So here there's access levels here, and this is how much access this membership level has to your content. So for basic, we're going to put 1. But pretty much how this works is if you give somebody access level 5, they have access to every membership level under that. So if I create one right here, and then I create another membership level that's access level 5, it's going to have access to both this basic membership level as well as every membership level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's just a nice, easy way for tiering your memberships if you're planning on having tiered content or some type of offering for your customers where they can upgrade and downgrade down the line. So we're setting up our access level here. We're going to say until canceled. Let's make this $29 a month, no sign up fee, and add membership level. Just like that. So there we go, basic. Now, the other thing that Restrict Content Pro does great is prorating refunds and prorating upgrades and downgrades. So if you have any experience with the membership site, you know that, and you have multiple tiers, you know that customers are most likely going to want to upgrade or downgrade to find the best tier for them. And optimally, you want them to upgrade through your tiers. So what this plugin does great is, say they go halfway through the month and then decide they want to upgrade, they'll be able to come here to this membership page and they'll have an option to upgrade to the next membership tier. And that's automatically going to prorate their refund. So say they went halfway through the month and it cost $20 more for the next membership tier, it's only going to cost them half of that since they were a member for half the month. So that's just a nice automatic way to handle things. A lot of WordPress membership plugins have that, but a lot of them don't. So if you're planning on scaling and really want to build some serious revenue here, you definitely want to have that automated, because we know that it can get pretty annoying doing that manually. Somebody wants to upgrade and then you have to manually go refund their other one, prorate it. Just takes up a lot of time, and this plugin handles that perfectly automatically in the back end. Now that we have our membership level set up, let's go ahead and lock our first page or post. So there are a couple different ways to do this. The most simple way is to first of all go to your post here. We're going to be locking this one as a test, the top WordPress membership plugin. So if you're unsure which plugin you want to use, you can come check out this page. But we have this page right here, and all you're going to do is go to the WordPress editor and then scroll down, and you're going to see restrict this content, and that is Restrict Content Pro placed over every page and post, and you can choose who sees that content. So right now it says everyone. All we want to do is say members of a certain membership level, and there's a lot of different options here. You can say anybody who's a paid member can access this, or if you have, again, multiple tiers, you can make that more specific and say members of a specific membership level can access this. So we're going to say basic members can access this, and we're going to update that. Now let's go ahead on over to another browser and test this page out. And here we go. This content is restricted to subscribers only. So that's how easy it is to set up your locked pages. Now there is another way to lock pages with a short code. If you don't want to lock the entire page or the entire post, you just want to lock part of that, you can also lock just a section of the page with the short code. And here's the short code right here. You just do brackets restrict and then brackets / restrict for whatever content you want to restrict. And this is a good way if you still want a page to be visible in the search engine like Google. So you want part of the page to be readable so you can have that page show up on the first page of Google. And you can use these restrict short codes as a little like secret information, something to motivate people to maybe sign up for your membership. This could be a great way to do that. So let's go ahead and take a look at these add-ons here. We're at the pricing table. The difference between the $99 and the $249 is, of course, the official add-ons here. So with the $99 version, these are the add-ons you're getting. A lot of basic stuff like having your members download certain files. It also integrates with MailChimp email service, very popular, Campaign Monitor, MailPoet. So very basic email services. And then also bbPress if you want to integrate with your WordPress forum. But in order to get the Pro add-ons, this is going to be $249 a year. So this can get pricey if you don't already have some revenue flowing in from existing customers. And what you get with Pro, you're going to have your MailChimp, and then you're also going to have Aweber, ActiveCampaign, some more advanced email services. So I'm sure you might already have an idea of what email service you're doing. Just make sure that integrates with whatever WordPress plugin that you're using. Because optimally, I mean, nobody really wants to pay $249 a year for a WordPress membership plugin. So if you're using MailChimp, hopefully that works out for you. And if you're using ActiveCampaign, it seems like a bit of an add-on. It's what, $150 more just if you're using ActiveCampaign. But then of course you get some other features here like group accounts. If you have a group of people coming into your membership, you can drip your content, which personally I think you should be able to do that with the $99 version. That's a pretty basic essential feature of a membership plugin, but Restrict Content wants to upcharge to $249 for that. So it's an amazing plugin. It's great, but of course to get these more pro features that are really more standard in a membership plugin or a membership platform nowadays, you're going to be paying more for that. So that's the overall summary on the pricing of Restrict Content Pro. Now there are a couple more features here that Restrict Content Pro does great, and that is their affiliate WordPress platform. So the same developers that make Restrict Content Pro create this affiliate WordPress plugin, which is one of the most popular affiliate WordPress plugins. So it integrates very smoothly with Restrict Content Pro. And once you have your membership site set up and your membership levels, and you're ready to increase your sales and really have a new avenue of marketing where you can get customers coming in without you having to manually reach out to any of them, this is a great plugin for that. You can go ahead and integrate, set up your offering. You can decide whether you want to give 10, 15, 20, 30% to your affiliates, and then you can have people go ahead and market your business for you while you sit back and continue working on scaling and growing your membership site. So there you have it, a quick review of Restrict Content Pro. We didn't get into anything too serious here today, but just did a quick overview of showing you how the basics of that plugin works. And again, if you're not 100% sure you want to use this plugin yet, you can come check out our page, Best Membership Plugins for WordPress, and we have listed a lot of the best WordPress membership plugins here with their pros and cons, so you can see what best aligns for what you're trying to build for your membership site. So thank you very much for watching. Again, I'm Madison with Profit Per Month. We're helping people build their own membership sites. So whether that's through the technology, these WordPress plugins, how to use them, or the actual marketing side, how to get your membership and your website out to more people and have more customers sign up, we help people with that. So if that's something you want to be a part of and you want to join the movement of building your membership site, come on over to Profit Per Month and give us a holler.